lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. Let me know how this lighting is because it is like 8 in the morning. Let me check. Yeah, it's like 8:11 in the morning, so I am using natural sunlight. Let me know if you like this lighting better or do you like it when I do it at nighttime and I have the lights on. All right, so if you read from my title, I am unboxing the January 2019 Boxycharm. It is still hard for me to say 2019. I am still writing down. I wrote a check yesterday and I put 2018. It's so hard, like in January, February, March, April. By the time I get used to saying 2019, it's going to be 2020. Oh my God, 2020. I don't even think about it. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. I did cut the tape. And I didn't know this was in my mailbox. I went this morning. I thought, I never checked my mail yesterday. And lo and behold, my Boxycharm was there. So let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. It says Boxy and Chill. This is the theme for January's box. On the back tells you what everything is and the prices. So I have a variation number 3 right down there. All right. The first thing I'm seeing is something I believe we got before, at least I got before. This is Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. I'm almost positive we got this before. And let's see what this says. Where you be, Dr. Brandt. Free gift with purchase of $75 or more. Why don't I see the Dr. Brandt? Come on in. Over this, Tasha. I don't know why I don't see this. Let me move on. Okay. The next thing. That's weird that I don't see that. Okay, the next thing is this Briogeo. I have got this before, and I really do like it, so I'm not knocking this. This is the Briogeo Milk Repair Leave-In Conditioner Spray. This is 2 ounce, and this is $12. Now, I got this before, and I don't know if this is a sample size or not because we got the same size. So that's $12. So it's kind of depressing. I love this, so don't get me wrong, but it's weird that there's 2 things that I already got the same before. All right. The next thing we got is from Ofra. Now, I do like this formula. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Havana Nights right there. You can see. Let me do a little swatch. Oh, let me tell you the price. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so this would be $20. So let's see. Right there. And that's pretty. And if that is too dark for you, then you can always lighten it up with a lighter shade. I have like 3 shades of lipstick on right now because I put a lipstick on that was too red. And then I put something on that I still didn't like. And then the third time is the charm. All right. The next thing we have is an eyeliner, of course. And it is in, what? Tell me it's not black. Black. So we have that. And it seems like Boxycharm always gives black eyeliners. All right, so this is a Luxie Longwear Eye Pencil. And $19? No way is this $19. No way. That's like higher end brand, right? $19. My Marc Jacobs highliner that I have on my waterline, I think that's like $25 or whatever. It's like a few dollars less than this. But I'm not going to open this because I have so many. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. All right. The next thing I got, and I believe everybody got this. This is from Tatcha. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And you got 2, which I think that's great that we got 2 of them. And this would be $24, so $12 a piece. And I love skincare. I am the type, I don't get mad if I get skincare, hair care in my boxes. So that is good. I've never tried their skin mask before. And last but not least, we got this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Now, I had this before and I gave it away. This would be, how much is this? $36, and a lot of times they go on sale, this brand here. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. So that's what it looks like. And I believe this has like all shimmers and like one matte, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So let me cover this up. So that's what it looks like. And this right here, right there is the only matte shade, and it's very, very light, the shade. I mean, it'd be a good transition shade for me, but if you're any deeper skin than me, it's gonna be too light. And then I like to have like a darker shade to kind of go on the outer eye to darken up my eye look. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I was hoping that I got the pink one, the sizzle one. If anybody wants to trade, let me know in the comments down below if you got the pink one, because that's the one I really wanted. So that's kind of depressing too. And I believe in the beginning of last year, we got one of these too. Not the volume 3, but we got this. So everything we got before, we've always got for highlighters before, which, I mean, not highlighters, lipsticks, which I'm not knocking it because I do love the formula and I think the color is beautiful. But we got this already. Maybe not, I didn't get this shade, this particular one, but we definitely got this before. This is an extra thing, so I don't know if anybody else got 6 products. Let me know. But I got this before. I got this a few months ago. So it's, and I'm always getting black eyeliner. And I put in a profile, if you don't know Boxycharm, if you go in the giveaway section, they have profiles. And I put down that I do not like black eyeliners. I like colorful eyeliners that I can put in my waterline. So this is very disappointing for me. I love Boxycharm. I'm not going to cancel, but this month was a little disappointing for me. I do really, I'm so happy that Tatcha is actually in Boxycharm. So I'm so happy that Boxycharm is really, I remember when they really first started, it used to be a lot of beauty creations and different things. So I'm so excited for Boxycharm to have Tarte in there, Briogeo, Dr. Brandt, Tatcha. I'm so excited to see what next month brings. It's just this month it was like a box for me. All right, but if you're still on here and you're wondering what is on my eyes, at the end of every video, in case you're new, I tell you a little bit what is on my eyes and what I think of it. And right now I have on the Blood Sugar palette. I just got this a few months ago and I only used this a few times, but let me tell you something. I was late in the game for this because I have tried his other ones, the androgyny, you know, and the first palette he put, and I did not like the formula. I'm going to keep it real. I didn't like it. So when this came out, I'm like, you know, I thought it was going to be more hyped up. But this formula is A1. I love this formula. It blends like a dream. You don't have to do anything. A couple strokes and it's blended. I have nothing but this palette on. So I really like it. I don't have the Alien palette. I'm kind of interested in that because of the greens. So if you have the Alien palette and you have the Blood Sugar palette, would you please let me know down below, is it the same formula? Because if it is, I want to get it, but it's always out of stock. But yeah, that's everything. I don't think I have anything else to say. Did you get Boxycharm this month? Did it come? Did you get it? Do you know what you're getting? Let me know. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you think they kind of like are going down a little bit since Boxy Luxe came? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Please like this video if you like it. Dislike it if you don't like this video, and I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I'm just having problems with my computer. I want to make sure it didn't shut off. All right, let me stop babbling. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.